Hey guys, here are the questions for the knowledge hook that weren't done very well. There is 5 today, but the reason why I'm going to be doing so many is because these 3 here are actually going to be kind of done the same. You'll see in a sec, but it's pretty easy. So I'm going to go through these ones really quick. So what is the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0? So because it passes through 0, 0, we can use this equation here. X squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Okay? My x is -5. My y is 12 is equal to r squared. Sorry, obviously this pen does not work well, so please bear with me. 25 plus 144 is equal to r squared. R squared is equal to 169. Okay, because you add those two together, and that's why we get that guy. Okay? We don't have to square root them because we're trying to find the equation of the circle. This one here, which graph could not represent a parabola? Okay, because these are all curves. That's linear. Okay, so that's the only reason why that's it. Okay, what is the maximum value of this? So for here, just plug it into Desmos. I haven't taught you guys how to graph it or how to find the max min value from this equation. So if you're like, oh my god, I have no idea what I'm doing, well, just plug it into Desmos, honestly, because it's the next unit that you guys, I think, just started. I teach you how to factor this, and then you can find out what the vertex is. Okay. So what is the maximum value? So let's just plug that in. I might have to go back and forth. Alrighty. Y is equal to -x squared. Oopsies. Plus 6x minus 11. Okay, what's my maximum value? Well, it always has to deal with our y value, because y, think of it as like height. So it's -2. Okay, some of you put 3, so I can see y because that was also part of the coordinate, but that has to do with our x, okay? So yes, that's why it's -2. The next one. Plus 2x minus 1. Okay, there's our vertex. Remember, it always has to deal with our y value. Did I get that equation right? Yeah, I think so. And that's why it's got to be 0. Oh, saying it's 1. -2x squared plus 2x. Or -x plus 2x minus 1. What is different with this equation? Why is it saying it's 1? It's according to mine, it's 0. xy. That's interesting. Should be 0, right? It's the maximum value. Oh, the question's what's the x-intercept? Duh. Guys, come on. No, I know that's my fault. I'm sorry. The x-intercept is 1. There we go. That's why. And then which statement is true? That's driving me nuts. About the zeros. Okay. So let's just go. Let's 3x squared. Y is equal to 3x squared minus 12x plus 14. Okay, so take a look. What's true about them, as you can see, here my zeros are along my x-axis, and it doesn't go through it. So the quadratic relation has no zeros. Okay? So good for you guys for getting that. If you did, again, I am here for help. I don't know what's going on with the notifications, but I do find that they're not the best, so I don't know. But just, if you send me a message and I don't reply, then just send me an email or something. Okay?